Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you stuck on your project and struggling to come up with innovative ideas? Well, I've got a game changer for you. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the power of AI-driven brainstorming using ChatGPT. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, trying to come up with that one brilliant idea. But what if you're stuck? What if your creativity well has run dry? Traditional brainstorming methods can be time consuming and sometimes they just don't yield the results we need. That's where ChatGPT comes in, a revolutionary AI tool that can help you generate out of the box solutions. But how do you harness its power? Let's get started. In this video, I'll share my step by step process for using ChatGPT to supercharge your brainstorming sessions. So here's my document with a customized prompt. Let's break it down. And don't worry, we'll explore it with the help of an example also. So I'm working on a project about insert project and topic here. This is your placeholder and I need to brainstorm creative ideas. Could you help me generate a list of fresh innovative ideas that address the following aspects? There are three aspects. You can mention five or more. It's up to you. I want the ideas to be unique and thought provoking, pushing beyond conventional approaches. You can also include any trends or future looking insights related to your project or topic. Feel free to suggest unexpected out of the box solutions, even they seem a little wild. I'm looking for at least 10 to 15 ideas that I can explore further. Also, please categorize the ideas into different themes or angles. For example, marketing, customer experience, and product development if possible. So, here is our complete prompt. Now, let's understand with the help of an example. I'm working on a project to develop a marketing campaign for a new fitness app. I wrote this instead of placeholder, and you have to write this according to your project. And I need to brainstorm creative ideas. Could you help me generate a list of fresh innovative ideas that address the following aspects? Now, here are three aspects: social media engagement, influencer partnerships, targeting Gen Z on millennials. I want the ideas to be unique and thought provoking, pushing beyond conventional approaches. You can also include any trends or future looking insights related to fitness apps and digital marketing. Feel free to suggest unexpected out of the box solutions even if they seem a little wild. I'm looking for at least 10 to 15 ideas that I can explore further. Also, please categorize the ideas into different themes or angles, for example, content creation, partnerships, user acquisition if possible. Let's copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. By the way, if you want this document of prompts, just comment below brainstorming and I'll send it to you. After getting this file, you can start generating amazing ideas from today. Wow, look at these innovative ideas. ChatGPT has taken our prompt and run with it. Don't let brainstorming blockages hold you back. Use ChatGPT to unlock your creative potential. Let's read one or two ideas. Okay, for social media engagement, there is interactive fitness challenges with AR filters. AR means augmented reality. You can read the details also. Fitness meme culture. Okay, so let's scroll down. Influencers and partnerships, virtual suite together sessions, influencers as curators of personalized workouts. Amazing. Influencer led digital fitness festivals, targeting audience about fitness, NFTs, and digital collectibles. Collaborate with esports because fitness and sports are correlated. This just blown my mind. What do you think about this? Should we use ChatGPT to increase our productivity or do it manually? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.